Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to change Facebook profile picture without notifying everyone. So first of all, log in into your Facebook account and open your Facebook profile and click on this camera icon. Now you can upload a photo from your computer, but right now I'm gonna selecting this photo here. Then click on save. Now reload the page as soon as possible. Scroll down and here you will get your updated profile picture. Now click on this privacy icon and select only me and click on save. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.